Kipsters. Today we are going to be making inferences. When we make inferences, we have 4 steps. Our first step is we ask ourselves, what do I want to figure out? Our second step is to look for clues in the text. Our third step is thinking about, what do I already know? What do I already know? And the fourth step is to putting it all together to make that inference. So I'm going to model how to make an inference using the March 22nd poem. Okay? So your job is to watch what I say, think, and do as I am making this inference. So the first thing I want to ask myself is, what do I want to figure out? And after reading March 22nd, I want to figure out, what kind of dog is Sky? What kind of dog is Sky? So now I'm going to go back into my text and look for information that describes what Sky says, thinks, or does. And I see that Sky followed Jack everywhere which way he turned. I also see that Jack imagined Sky saying, thank you, thank you, thank you for choosing me. The text also says that Sky would put his head on his chest or his straggly paws on his chest like he was trying to hug their insides right out of him. So that's the clues that I got from the text. He followed him everywhere, he kept saying thank you, and he would hug the insides right out of him. Now the third thing I want to do is figure out, what do I already know about this topic? So I want to know, what do I already know about dogs based off this text evidence? Well, it says he followed him everywhere and that he was saying thank you and he was giving a hug. So I know that dogs really love their owners. Like, I know that dogs really love their owners because as soon as a dog comes up, they get super excited when they come to the door. I also know that dogs are really protective of the people that they love. So those are the things I know about dogs. So putting all of those clues together, what kind of dog is Sky? Well, I can infer that Sky is a loyal dog. Because in the text it says the yellow dog followed him everywhere. He was everywhere. He followed him everywhere. And this makes me think that Sky loves Jack and is always by his side no matter what. So I use all 4 steps to make that inference that Sky was a loyal dog. Now I want you to stop and think, how did I make an inference and what 4 steps did I take? Bye guys.